Yes, today I'm explaining assignment number 3 of alcohols, phenols, and ethers. First question, as usual, nomenclature. This is CH3CHOH, CH3, CH2, CH3. Just to save time, I have not written hydrogen atoms. This is the longest chain and direction of counting. This is 2-methyl 2-butanol, and this is tertiary alcohol. Next, C2H5 thrice COH. 1, 2, 3. This is the longer chain. IUPAC name is IUPAC 3-ethyl 3-pentanol. 3-ethyl 3-pentanol, and this is tertiary alcohol. Next. Oh, only two were to be explained. Next, fill in the blanks. Secondary butyl alcohol with sulfuric at 440 degree. This is 440 Kelvin. This is dehydration, will give alkene according to Sazerford. More symmetrical alkene, that is butene, is formed with HBr. This will give 2-bromobutane according to Markovnikov rule. Sodium diether is Wood's reaction, will lead to the formation of symmetrical alkane. Product is 3,4-dimethyl hexane. Second sequence. 2-pentanol with sulfuric acid 170 gives this is pent-2ene according to Sazer's rule. After that, in fact, there are different options for answers, but I'm giving you one set of answers. Next is HBr in the presence of organic peroxide. C will be 2-bromo. Then aqueous NaOH gives 2-pentanol. This is A, B, C, D, E. So E is 2-pentanol. And last reaction is iodoform test, that is iodine NaOH. From second to second last answer, other options are also possible. In case you have thought of some other answers, you can share your answers with me so that I can guide you whether your answers are correct or not. Different answers are possible. Next, third sequence. In between, we are given normal propyl acetate. Normal propyl acetate with hydrogen platinum, that is reduction, will give 2 alcohols. One is ethanol, other is propanol. Third sequence. Now this ester is obtained by the reaction between C and D. C is an alcohol, that hint is given, and alkyl chain attached to oxygen comes from alcohol. It means C is propanol and D is acetic acid, because this esterification has taken place in the presence of sulfuric acid. So carboxylic acid and alcohol will lead to the formation of ester. Now this alcohol is obtained by the reaction of B with formaldehyde. It means B is ethyl grignard. 2 carbon atoms from grignard and 1 will come from formaldehyde. Now this grignard is prepared by the reaction between A and magnesium diether. So it can be any haloethane. Now coming to fourth question. What happens when phenyl magnesium bromide is reacted with methanol? It's understood that hydrolysis is included. Now this will lead to the formation of phenyl methanol. How do we write the product? Let me tell you. Methanol is HCHO. If you remember, I told you in this reaction, follow 3 points, 3 steps. Change double bond into single, attach hydrogen to oxygen atom, and to this carbonyl carbon atom form the bond with that carbon of grignard which is bonded to magnesium atom. So this is phenyl. So addition reaction followed by hydrolysis will lead to the formation of benzyl alcohol. P part. A mixture of methanol and acetic acid is heated in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Esterification takes place to form a sweet smelling ester, and the structure of ester will be this is the ester formed methyl acetate. Conversions. First is isopropyl alcohol into isobutyl alcohol. I have to prepare an alcohol which contains more carbon atoms than the starting material. It means I'll have to react a carbonyl compound with Grignard reagent. This is primary alcohol to be prepared. It means HCHO and isopropyl Grignard. This isopropyl alcohol has to be converted into isopropyl Grignard. Convert into alkyl halide. There are different methods to convert alcohol into alkyl halide. You know very well. Then react with magnesium diether. You'll get Grignard reagent. Further reaction will give final product. Next, isopropyl alcohol into normal propyl alcohol. Into normal propyl. Same number of carbon atoms. We have to shift the position of OH group. First, convert into alkene sulfuric acid at 170 degrees centigrade. After that, although you can convert into 1-bromo propane by HBr organic peroxide, but we can carry out this conversion in one step also. What is this reaction? This is hydroboration oxidation. How do we write? BH3 followed by alkaline hydrogen peroxide. Third, ethine into dimethyl ether. Ethine into diethyl ether. Last time only I taught you methods of preparation of ethers. If we have alcohol, ethanol, react with sulfuric acid below 140 degrees centigrade, that will lead to the formation of symmetrical ether. So this is concentrated sulfuric acid below 140 degrees centigrade. You can write 100 to 110 degrees centigrade. That's the best. Now, react with HX excess. According to Markovnikov rule, this will lead to the formation of 1,1-dihaloethane. Then react with aqueous NaOH. This will give ethanol. This is NSR. Two OH groups on the same carbon minus water will give ethanol. This is reduction. Reduce with lithium aluminum hydride, you'll get ethanol. Next, ethanol into acetone. Oxidation with hot copper or any other oxidizing agent will give ethanol. React with methyl Grignard. With methyl Grignard, we'll get 2-propanol. Again, oxidation. Copper 573 degrees centigrade will give acetone. Next, arrange orthocresol carbolic acid picric acid let us say compound number 3 and paranitrophenol. in their increasing order of acidic strength. Increasing. Least acidic will be 1 because this has electron releasing methyl group, then 2, then 4, and compound number 3 will be maximum acidic in nature due to the presence of maximum number of electron withdrawing NO2 groups. Next, give IUPAC name of the alcohol with molecular formula C5H11OH, which immediately gives turbidity with Lucas reagent. See, immediate turbidity is given by tertiary alcohol. It means you have to think of an alcohol containing 5 carbon atoms, which should be tertiary. So IUPAC name is 2-methyl 2-butanol. 2-methyl 2-butanol is the answer.